Okay, so I've just been food shopping, and it's the worst part of when I do go out. I do like going out because I like listening to music when I go food shopping. That's about the only thing in the car. But as you can see, I've got loads of things behind me and loads of things in front of me. When I do go out food shopping, I try and get as much as I can to last as long as possible so that I don't have to keep going out because the queues are a bit nuts. So I just try to do that. So I get quite a big shop every time I go, which I wouldn't normally do if we wasn't, you know, going through this. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I picked up in my food shopping, and I went to Asda because Asda is the local one to me. I don't have an Aldi pretty close. That's usually if you're old on my channel, basically. If you're not new here, you will know that I normally shop in Aldi. But since I've moved here, there isn't an Aldi nearby, so obviously I go to Asda. But yeah, I've picked up quite a lot of things, and I'm going to show you what I brought. Okay, so I got some steak. This is actually for Jonathan. I didn't really fancy steak this week, so I'm not going to have it, but he can have that. He sort of goes on diets and stuff, like because he does the gym, obviously. Well, not right now, he doesn't do the gym, but he works at home. So I like to get him steak and stuff like that. So teriyaki chicken stir fry kit is what I got next, and this is really quite good actually. It's a good little kit. It's just quite an easy, simple meal to make if you haven't got, you know, like one of them things you just chuck in, but it's still like healthy, like it's not processed food, it's still real meat and all that. So it's really handy to have those in. Then I just got some diced chicken. Yes, I am that lazy person that doesn't like to cut chicken up, so I got some of that. Then I've got Richmond skinless sausages. Now these are Harrison's absolute favourite. In fact, he calls these beautiful sausages. Don't ask why, but he does. He will only eat skinless sausages, and they have to be skinny. So it's really fussy when it comes to things like this. So yeah. Then, oh, actually, look, I actually got chicken that you need to cut. But to be honest with you, I don't even know why I picked that up. I'm not going to lie, but I needed more chicken, and I think I just went for that because I didn't need too much more chicken, like fresh chicken. So I went for that one. Then I've got mince. Always get the 5% fat mince. And yeah, this is for our spaghetti bolognese that we do. That's what we're going to have this week as well. Then just randomly got some ham here. Isabella loves ham sandwiches and ham cheese toasties and stuff, so get that. Then I'm going to go down here for a minute. I've got some bananas, got some strawberries, blueberries, all that jazz. Then we've got some mushrooms. Mainly the mushrooms are for the steak. Then we've got a chicken for roast dinner on Sunday. And then we've got a cucumber randomly sitting here. We love salad at the minute, especially because it is really hot. So we eat salad a lot with our dinners and lunches and stuff like that. So we go through salad like no tomorrow at the moment. And then we've got some peppers. This is actually for the stir fry kit. No, not stir fry. This is actually for the fajita kit that I got. And also you can chuck it in salads and stuff. So it's always good to have peppers in. And then we have got avocados. And then we've got, I'll just quickly go here actually. We've got toilet roll. This is my favourite toilet roll. I know toilet rolls are a really sore subject at the moment. Like it has been for a few months, but this is the toilet roll that I love. I always pick this up when I'm at Asda. It's the coconut oil one, so it smells like coconut, and I love it. £3.50 for a bag of 9. I think that's really quite good value, and they're really good. I know it's only toilet roll, but I literally love this one to bits. Then we've got normal potatoes. That's really for roast potatoes for our roast dinner. Then I've got jacket potatoes here. I like to get these ones. They're a little bit more expensive than the 60p ones, just because these ones, I don't know why, but they're just better. They last better. So the other ones got off quite quickly. I don't know why. Then we've got red onions here. Love red onions in our salads and everything. We love red onion like with everything. Then we've got, this is for a stir fry kit as well. I've gone for loads of stir fry stuff today, but they're just easy meals to make. Then we've got some baby plum tomatoes. These are my favourite ones. Don't like cherry tomatoes. It's not that I don't like them. I just prefer baby plum. I just think they look better. They taste better. They are just better. Then here, I've got this, never tried this before, the Blue Dragon sauce kit for stir fry. See, I told you I'm going for a lot of stir fries this week. I actually picked this one up first, and then I picked this one up because I'm sure I see another YouTuber, I can't remember who now, but I see another YouTuber in their haul talking about these. So I thought, oh, I'll just give it a try. They're not expensive either. So I just thought I'll give that one a try. Maybe it tastes better than this one, because this one is fine, but I do find it's not strong tasting, and I do like strong tasting stir fry. So I'm going to try that, let you know how I get on. Then we've got like this stir fry actual kit. Like, I've got a lot of this going on. Then we've just got the big variety pack of crisps. Just get Asda own. They taste better than Walkers. I don't know if you've been on my channel before, but I do not like Walkers. That's just something I don't like. I prefer the cheaper makes. They taste better. They taste like when I was younger. So anyway, then we've got Feast. Harrison's already had one since I walked in the door. But we've got Feast ice creams. And then down, let's go across here actually first, and we can just see how Jonathan's thing. So if we go across here, we've got the fajita kit. I always get the Asda own, or I get the other one if it's on deal, and I get the extra mild because the children eat it as well. So we've got that. Then we've got the noodles to go with the stir fry kit, and then we've got dough balls with the garlic butter. Love these, love Pizza Express, and because we can't really go out to eat at the moment, it's just nice to have little things like this, to have like a fake away night. So we're going to have that with pizza one night in the week. And then coming over here, now these are new to our family. They're not, I don't know if they're new in the world, but basically Jonathan, like I said, goes on like a diet all the time. Not generally a diet like he's trying to, I can't explain it. He goes on like a fitness diet basically. So he likes to eat less carbs. And these here he did mention before I left, and I did find them. They are a bit expensive because they're like $1.99 for one packet. However, I find healthy food is more expensive anyway. So Jonathan wanted these, and in this, which I think is quite good, it's 62% fewer calories than white rice. So if you wanted an alternative to white rice, then these are probably really good. Per 100 grams, it's 50 calories in this one. And then this one is the cauliflower one, and this is even better. This is 20 calories per 100 grams. So this is also 87% lower in carbs than white rice. So if you are looking for an alternative, then these are your best bet. So yeah, we'll try them out and we will let you know. Once Jonathan's tried them, I'll let you know how they taste. I personally like actual rice, and I'm trying to gain weight, so I won't be eating them, but I'll let you know what he thinks of them. Then here we've got the crispy potato slices. Love these. They're just a great basically alternative to chips, just something different. So we like them. And then we've just got this here, which is just, this is going to be an easy dinner night. 4 breaded chicken steaks. There's just going to be probably that just like a really easy, you know, oven dinner during the week, and then maybe with some salad and stuff because it's hot. So yeah. Then we've got lettuce. We love, like I said, salad at the moment. And then this is another cheat meal. When I say cheat meal, you're going to think I mean like healthy cheat meal. So this here is another meal that I just literally stick in the oven. But I tell you what, these taste so nice. I really like them. And if you haven't already worked out by now, I'm not the most creative of cooks. I've said this on my channel before. I am trying to learn how to cook like from scratch a lot more. But at the moment, I just want something done for me. So that's what I got. But these tins here, they've got like a load of varieties of what you can get. And they're like a £5, but they do feed the whole family. So, and they're really, really nice, honestly. So tasty. The whole family likes them in my house anyway. Oh, I forgot to say, I've got to go back here. Then we've got the text. Oh, we've got some cheese. Sorry, we literally have cheese with everything. Isabella is a cheese fanatic, like ridiculously. We have to have a lot of cheese in this house. Then we've got Tex-Mex dip selection. This is to go with the tortilla chips that we got. These are just really good and like a nice snack that's different from like anything else. Like if like we've had a dinner or whatever, basically, whenever you want to have this. Generally, actually, when we've been getting this recently, this gets eaten just after my food shop. It's like an easy, quick thing that everyone's starving, everyone wants to eat something, so we get these out with the tortilla chips, so we might have those in a minute. Then we've got the cheese and onion rolls. I really, really like these ones, and I don't know Isabella will. I'm going to try her. I thought I would try these ones because we get sausage rolls and then I just feel like we waste them. So I just thought this was a nice little snack that's different from what we've been having recently. And coming over here, we've got milk. Harrison's already had some of this milk, and so have I actually. Literally since I come in, I made a coffee and I didn't have any milk. So we've used that already. But we go through so much milk. Like every 2 days, we need milk. Like Harrison loves milk. So, and I love my milky coffees. I put like a cup of milk in the microwave and that's how I make my coffee, so it's like a latte. So we're going through a lot of milk at the moment. Then I've got crackers. So the crackers is a must in this house. Harrison and Jonathan like this, like peanut butter on crackers. That is their favourite snack, so had to get those in. Always got to have those. And here's the peanut butter to go with it. They like crunchy. Then mango chutney, I have this with the poppadoms. This is just a really nice snack, but also it goes with when we're going to have curry one night this week. So curry is going to be part of our meal as well. Then I've got some comfort. Love this one, the yellow one. What's it even called? I don't know, but I love it anyway. Smells beautiful. Then here we've got the chopped chip pancake mix. Harrison really likes these and I find it so difficult to give him breakfast. He's not a breakfast type of child, so when he does eat breakfast or whatever, this is what he would eat. It's not the most healthiest of things, but it's something down him, so I'm happy with that at the moment. But I am trying to get him to eat cereal, but I'm basically losing a fighting battle. So then we've got the pasta. So feel kind of bad putting this on my haul because this is another one. This and toilet roll was ridiculous, wasn't it? But anyway, got some pasta. We always have pasta in and no, don't worry, I don't have a whole cupboard of pasta. This is like the only pasta I have. Run out yesterday when we had pesto pasta for dinner. Got bread. We go through a lot of bread at the moment. And then we've got mini wraps, another alternative to having a sandwich, have a wrap. Also, Jonathan likes to put these in the oven, season them up, make them into crisps, and it's a healthy option for him so that he can have a snack. They do taste really nice as well when you do that. Then we've got clubs, yogurts. This is all of the bad section now. These are the cheap version of Twix. My kids love these. Viscounts, got to have cookie, and these are my favourite biscuits in the entire world. It's the OT Crumbles chocolate. If you haven't tried them, you need to. They are amazing. They are life. Then we've got Galaxy chocolate. That's for me later because I really fancy chocolate. And then I do love a tea cake too. So yes, we like that. I eat a lot of junk, like personally. So don't think this is all for my children. This is me too. But anyway, then we've got the tortilla chips. That's to go with the dips. Then we've got Marmite rice cakes. Jonathan absolutely loves these. So I do as well, and so does Harrison. But Isabella doesn't really like these, but they are really, really nice. And they were on deal. And then I've got poppadoms to go with my mango chutney for my curry and all of that. Then we've got Dairy Lee Dunkers, good little snack to have just for the kids in the fridge. Then we've got my favourite coffee. This is the coffee that I like. It was on deal today as well, so I picked up the big one. And then I also picked up a wax melt burner because I haven't had wax melt since I've lived here and I really, really fancied doing it. So I just picked one of those up. And then I've got some Mountain Air Sephora. Love this stuff. This is what I use in my spray bottle that I use in all my cleaning videos. For anybody asking. Obviously, I don't use this scent all the time. I really like Country Garden, but I can't find that at the moment. So my next favourite is Mountain Air. Love this. Good for animals as well. Not good for it as in giving to animals. You know what I mean. It's got animals on it. Then we've got treats for the animals. So we've got the dogs, the cats. They're their favourite treats. And then we've got the dog food, cat food. Then this here is absolutely amazing. Love this. I found this about a month ago. And honestly, really, really good. You take it out, click this button. It is so strong and lasts for so long. I've got the pink one in my bathroom at the moment, but it has been about that many days actually, and it's starting to lose its smell. So it's really, really good. I do recommend this. So yeah, I'm going to put that in my bathroom in a minute. Then we've got my favourite butter ever, Lurpak. Love it, and have to have slightly salted. I'm not into this lighter stuff. This tastes better. Then over here, we've got the wax melts. So this smells a bit like a spa. So it says Zen, and it is like a spa. So I thought that would be really nice. I love laundry smelling stuff, so I thought I'd give this one a try too. And then this one smells absolutely amazing. Let me try and get, yeah, it smells absolutely amazing. So these here are 3 for £5 in Asda. I've never tried these before, to be fair, so I can't really comment right now, but they smell lovely. So hopefully they work just as well when they're actually burning. Then I've just got some wipes. We just like to have wipes in the house, obviously. And then over here, we've got Johnson's Bedtime Wash, just for Harrison. Well, for anyone, but for Harrison in particular. I'm also trying to get him back into a bedtime routine. So I thought this might actually help with all the aromas of the bedtime bath scent in it. And just got my Flora, by the way. Don't worry about that. And that's empty. I'm going to put that in the bin. And then we've just got some toothpaste. So yeah. So yeah, that was everything I picked up from Asda this week. Hopefully that will all last us quite a long time. Couldn't tell you exactly when. Would love it to last at least 2 weeks. I've got quite a lot of meals this week. Sometimes I go food shopping and I don't pick up a lot of meals. That really annoys me because then I generally have to go out again. So I think I picked up quite a bit there and I don't need to go out again. As in shopping, can't stand food shopping. It is the worst shopping out there. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments if you like food shopping, because it feels like this lockdown, what it feels like is they've said, tell you what, you can go out, but you can go out and do the thing that you don't like to do the most, food shopping. And I was like, thanks, brilliant. So anyway, that's the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this, and also leave a comment below telling me if you like food shopping like I asked. And then also subscribe if you are new, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.